DIY QuickCure Clay tools. You'll have you some QuickCure Clay in the natural or the black, a heating tool, and a tile. Here I'm just pinching off a few pieces to create the shape that I need for my little tools. Now I love making these for working with the clay, and they're easy to make. I can make changes to them, grind them, sand them, add other components to them, and so that's what we're doing here. This one, I like make these little knives. What's great is you're making these because you need them to scale. So sometimes I just need little tiny tools, and this allows me to do that. So here I'm curing them, and then they become rock hard. And I just keep rolling through this to get these done quickly. Now here I'm making a little hammer. I'll take an old stylus tool, and then I'll make me a little ping hammer. Now these hammers, once again, it has to do with scale. And I can make the shapes, hone them to whatever pattern, if I want like grooves, or make little stamp hammers where I can make patterns in them. But once they're cured, they're just easy to use. You can weight them as well. You can actually embed bearings or other pieces of metal to give some more weight to it if you'd like, including other broken handles. Now here, these are for my wire twisters. I get wire and I like to twist it together, but sometimes when you're trying to hold on to it, it's difficult. These are just lobster claws for jewelry, and then I've encapsulated the end of it into the QuickCure Clay, making these twisters. And then here I'm using the same kind of claw clasp for a keychain with just a much bigger handle, and it helps to do for larger wire. Now I will say, you say, well, why couldn't you use something else? It has to do with the strength. This clay, QuickCure Clay, is so strong. Like I said, it's machinable. You take it to a grinder and grind it down. It's just amazing stuff. And quick, like literally seconds. You form it, cure it with that little heat gun, and that's it. And you're done. And it's really hot, so that's why I'm transferring them to the little heat pad, is so they can cool down. Now you can paint them if you'd like, or stain them or whatever, but I just keep them natural. Now here I've just taken, it's a little drill bit, and sometimes I need little pin drills, or what they call thumb drills, and I can make them my own set of them. And then if I'm using them for a class or whatever, if one breaks or something happens, it's not a big loss. But some of those little tiny thumb drills are extremely expensive. And so the clay works great for that. Now here I've got a lot of these blades. Now you want to be really careful with this because, this is a razor blade. But I needed little handles for it. And I've tried hot glue and other things like that, and it works for a little bit, but I needed something a little bit more durable. And once again, this worked for that. Now here's another one of those with the screwdriver, drill bit. And there we are. Just a whole slew of different types of tools. And there you are with a fingernail file just to kind of sand out or make adjustments. And here I'm going to show you how the little thumb drill works. When you're in a hurry, you need something quick. Here we are, I'm hammering some heavy-duty shaper sheet, and then, like I said, you can make, these could be textured. So you could add texture to the bottom of them, use them to, hammer into clay. And then here's the tool. Look how strong that is. I mean, I'm able to really push down, and it's kind of cool, I think, that I'm actually using the clay to make the tool to work in the clay. You can form, you're just creating tools. Maybe you've got broken tools, maybe you need complete tools. But it's all about being quick, and this clay does that. Oh, here, look. So I'll show you how we use the wire twisters. So I just took my strand of wire, and I loop it around, and pull it, and then twist it and hook it to the other end, and then just twist. What's great about it is the claw opens up. Wire slips right off. So it's not stuck on there, and then I can fold it back on itself to twist again, but it's about the strength, right? Because we know that when you start getting the torque, right, onto the wire, that, you know, it needs to be durable so that you can do the twisting. And there we have it. Twisting another piece of wire. It goes really quickly and so easy. Piece of cake. So there you have it. QuickCure Clay tools. Thanks, guys. Happy creating.